My heart's going.
My heart's been going the whole
They're
fucking
all
time.
out of their vehicles. Nope.
Where?
Okay, we got just the normal
Zayd,
group
just
that
heads
came.
up, we are doing a huge scenario right now. Oh, they're coming. They're coming up.
10-4.
Alright, well then you guys don't need to be bothered.
SRU is second car. Third car is Group 6.
Copy.
Fourth is Transport. Fifth is Black Explorer. Sixth is Bearcat. 7, 8, 9 is Police.
So block that Bearcat.
Okay, so what do you want me to pull out?
I'm gonna flip around and I'm gonna try and be a distraction for that second Bearcat.
I'm gonna block the first
Alright,
Bearcat.
Blaze is going.
Crash into the Bearcat or something.
I'm
like
gonna
this.
call
I'm going-
priority
I'm
as soon
going
as
for the-
this is going.
I'm going for the Bearcat right now, so call the priority.
Priority started.
Of course he's gonna.
Bearcat is second vehicle, you said?
Helicopters up ahead.
Yep.
Bearcat second vehicle?
Fuck. Oh, he sees us. He sees
Oh,
us.
yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he go. Oh.
Well, they can't get their money, so now they're gonna freak out. Just stay in position.
Bearcat
see.
rolling
Here comes
up,
the Bearcat, here comes
rolling
the
up,
Bearcat.
Bearcat's
rolling up.
ramming me.
Yep. Oh!
I just fucking.
I killed the SRU, I'm dead.
I'm helping out, I think I'm dead.
I just fucking code zero.
Oh my god, I quit! Fuck! I'm dead. No, I'm not. I'm still alive.
Wow.
I fucking code zero.
I am just hearing the most massive amounts of gunfire.
Oh, I'm dead.
See how that
Dead.
we needed to hit that motherfucking transport truck.
I got the second Bearcat.
That
I
was so
killed-
fucking amazing.
That was actually pretty fun. That was great. That was great.
The Bearcat
no.
tried to pit me, and I blocked it. I dodged it, and he hit the
Yeah.
guardrail.
That was
Polecat
awesome. Just
in
seeing
there.
that thing get hit was beautiful.